Share this video, guys. Wow, sorry again. Share this video, guys. I wouldn't have moved here. Shut it down. This is what happening. We'll talk about Provoke. Whatever you know. I'm great all of now, but so please share this video. Now play that music again. Share the video. What already? Split the video. Now, I greet you all with better style. I want to talk concerning the Obo. The video of Obo will go viral. We be see Obo matter don't turn to another thing. People don't even know the side where Obo stand put again. Obo don't confuse many people. God. Social media. You know, Obo says Ebenezer about space now. Obo don't confuse many people. Now, first of all, let's play some of Obo video. You understand? I want to play some of the video. So the more I know.
It's not paying me, but I have the evidence now. Raw. If I like, I post. If I don't like, I arrest. It's not paying me, but when I'm talking, because they deleted it, it was paying me. Say, I wish I see her. I wish I see her, so I don't see her. So now I want to sleep. I congratulate the praying for her to be brought to shame. She has finally been disgraced. She go explain to Natalia when now when be her fans when they do the same thing when she side down. She go explain after I post the video now. You go explain Taya. You go explain.
You wanna share this video?
The guy tell her say now it's over. Now that it's over, she not even bother. She not bother to beg me again. Wait till come over when I not understand. I never accused her that time. So which man two of them get for me when they don't to say and so they will do me it's over. These people don't they enjoy. This person just only 3 weeks in my house now. Yeah, me and my wife know each other before. Because now the guy they call me saying they follow us on social media, they beg me say, make I help arrange one con Netherlands. Me I be never want to give my house out. I just bought house and have my family. I say if my wife go Nigeria if I would rent out. When I come see the way the guy they beg me, he say be my fans, he be our fan, they follow president, they follow me. Maybe know my wife if I don't know whether and then know they say because 2-3 weeks is too early for a woman to just sleep with man.
Okay.
It's too early.
3 weeks.
A stranger you don't know and a young boy is senior the boy. That boy should be like 40 years. At least 42 at most. Nourish. I don't understand. I mean, I also wanted to when I did not want to give the boy room. When I can't tell my wife, say somebody they come, I can't talk Igbo and whatever. After Sunday, my wife say, she be na your wife they come, make I see whether the way they treat your wife, whether the way they treat her, whether not so that boy they treat your wife. I can't surprise it. Person will never come, you don't they use me compare her. My man can't tell me say, make I let the boy come. I say my wife will fall in love, I will catch them. Somebody when you don't know, say, hey, make them come.
When I share the video, now listen. But when I share this video,
Kona, they can say whether the way they treat another so they treat a wife. That thing can make me.
now
Even when the boy they say,
I greet everybody with better style. Now my own opinion I want to give for this issue of Obo and the wife and the stupid adulterous wife to be wife or whatever, baby mama, I don't want to be wife. You see many of them will be presented, especially those women, because this guy get issue with Monica. Because the issue, this is the problem with many of them get for this Facebook, and that's the reason why none of them go like me. None of you guys will ever like me because I'm not going to see them stupid. You one of them stupid who are going to say presenters. 85% of our social media live video presenters now beat this man of exposing his own wife of adulterous. Oh God, this is our brother. This is our brother. What can you get? Now, if to say this man, Monica, sit down. The secretary of adulterous, shift closer, carry your chair. If to say this man, not be live video presenter, say an ordinary person, just the way GPC people useless as shower with the GPC, just the way they used to be their husband and ordinary people. They carry matter called Frank, say Frank, you have again. Epa, give me proof. You understand? The bring proof come. I dragged the wife, send the picture of my woman. They send their wife picture comments. I drag their wife comments. Let's assume he said this Obona carry this matter can't give me without doing live video. Assuming said this Obona be presenter. He carry this matter can't give me with this evidence. When we say he will set camera, catch the wife. Tell me what you know. Still talk. Say Frank, they spoil our women. Frank, they call our women as shoe. They call our women as shago. They call our women potapotapos. They call our women of oh. What you know before? Now this one now, marriage woman when they carry from Nigeria come abroad. He reach abroad down. What he don't learn from Nigeria. That we are there. What this old wife don't really do for Nigeria. That will show. As she wallow, as she where he don't really do from Nigeria. He don't really in blood. Obo no go feel cleaner because he they look for way forward to exhibit it after childbirth. He they look for way forward to exhibit it. Now, as soon as that stupid ratio, I'm not the blame Obo, but girl, I know Obo not get any faults for this video. Obo not get any faults. Many of you now go catch my wife, cheating, now go shoot them. The way some of you say get evil mind, some of our men not go feel beer around, and not go feel beer seeing their wife cheating on them. That boy not go leave that house. As police come, police go arrest the man self. Because you go to use battle ass, you don't finish that boy for that room. With the choppy wife so. Many of you not fit one. But you know say this boy use sense, use wisdom. He had wisdom for everything we do. And that wisdom way he had. Now that they see us useless person. Now they look in face, they pour spit for your face. Person will be say, he wife cheat on her. When I look in face now, pour spit for your face. When I look the man, they insult the man. When I be black Jesus. When I come and set presenter for this social media, when I be black Jesus, don't be devil. If you not see who turn over free, me at the turn over free say, down working. Person wife, woman will born twins for you. Woman will carry from Nigeria, come abroad, buy house, put them for house. They give them food, they don't lack anything. The same woman they knock your tenants. Tenant they bounce in Moyonko. Tenant they bounce in Moyonko. The man catch them. The man catch them. The next thing we go do, now they saga the man. Okay now. The reason why some of our women they saga the man, because the man leave them for abroad, go marry, come for Nigeria. Number one reason. Una when they saga the man because of that reason, check your character. You want to marry? Now every woman when they abroad want to their husband has, what are you waiting for since then? Some of them don't spend 30 years for abroad, but not get husband. If you still go marry, come for Nigeria, not go to face. When I look their face, I go pause me for their face. Now not ask yourself the question. What do you make of not stay husbands? When I go on, I go for. Since when are they abroad? How many relationships I don't go? What do you make them work out? When are they jealous who go marry come for Nigeria? One of my they bitter. Say the man go bring wife for Nigeria. That one is number one reason why some people they insult that man. Innocently. What you know say no go do now? Una go see person with in pain. Una go see the hit and journal. Una go say una be woman who don't want support women. Woman they do evil. They go do na brother. Make una they happy. One of the bitch na brother they support the wife when they cheat on now. Yahweh beg ya bone in it. Some of our women for this abroad are going to shame. That obete walla we do for UK. Boy young baby you are not. Look at her. We can say name no you know Kokia. Where the UK? At old as she is, she knows to get a relationship. She never dream of one. No talk of living with a man in infinity. But the same woman when they cheat on your husband, they come and they call they insult the man. Your toto they forbid bride price. Madam. I bet you not hearing what they say, emoji. You have no respect in the eyes of men when you are not married. Especially for those who they chop from junction to junction. When they use ID, once they see man, the first place where their eye they go, now the size of the bola. They have no respect for their pussy. Anywhere belief is. Me, again, I know they take all those kind of apologies. Supposed to not be frank and not tolerate nonsense. No, let's go straight to my guy, Obo. First of all, let me say, my brother, very sorry. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. Now, little lesson, now you still learn so. It just to be like lesson when we still learn. For this useless girlfriend will come my house. I thank God say she not poison me. Because those women will come my house, all this Jezebel where I carry around say, I want to marry them as my second, third, fourth wife. If to say they poison me, as they call they confess for social media, they say they come for mission. Say that I get snap of us, they put snap of my food. I shop on the buy ticket, they travel come out. As if I come say I come out tomorrow morning, my flight is no problem. Before I wake up, you don't poison my food for outside freezer. Travel come out, I go escort them. As I come and put food for microwave and eat. At the end of the day, Frank don't move. Who na go home? Now go home, don't go, who don't base? Who know yes? He don't go. Oti law. You understand? Now I thank God say me, I dey alive. Oh. Now record the record. Now video the cookery. They not fake you me. I go still get more record. And I go still get more video. And I go still get more talk to pee. You understand? 3 to talk go still for my phone. It's just that is life for you. Soldier go, soldier come. Or we now go, now you lost. So my girl, you see this your woman so now the worstest woman you can ever think of having. Where you forget problem, I will tell you, Obo, according to your video, this woman, now all those women, according to you, now all those women where they do runs for Bini, all those women where they move, they go government house without they don't even give the invitation, they go just sit down up top of table, they go from back, they buy them. Ìyàbá òní dáadáa ni o ìyàbá òní dáadáa ni o ìyàbá òní dáadáa ni o ẹ má gbàdú rárá o ẹ rọra sà. Obo said that they balloon his wife for inside room. Oh God, don't die. You can imagine. You know say this woman, all those kind of woman, all those Yoruba women will be say ẹ rọra o ìyá Basira báwo ni mo fẹ́ ra mú. You know what? Yeah, that you know, say that kind of woman you marry, you carry her come abroad. The one who dey abroad, with the plan on how to change them, you can't go carry on down the show come abroad. Or boo, why you too so low? Your native daughter spiritual things. When I just say, oh God, you not be native, you be fake. You think say I dey lie. When I tell you, say, oh God, where is your native doctor? A fake your eye. You be fake. You know the see clear. Your spiritual eye, it don't blind. Your spiritual eye don't blind. Because if to say you get spiritual pros, and you the talk say you be native doctor, okay, not talk again. You don't just talk, say you be your boy again. You be swagalicious, okay, you be swagalicious into the hand. Say you be really spiritual man who knows the realm of the spirits, who know what to do and what not to do and when something to happen. Oga, bros, you not be native doctor. If I want to judge you now, in the realm of the spirits, you are blind. Sorry, sir, I'm not insulting you. I'm not going to come and light the video content insult you. But I want to just put some points into your skulls. Me, you tell them. That's why I say life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. Oga, you know they see. Your spiritual eyes is blind. For so long, for 6 years now, where you there with this woman for house, where you are this one, you know fit tell me say you don't check crack waka for this woman. Secondly, you don't even know the kind of woman when you marry for the past 6 years now. If that prayer point woman, if that woman where they pray, woman where they close to God, or woman where they close to native daughter, or woman where they close to Bola. Or God do my drink. I want you. Yet ya go ye matter. Ye don't go. Share this video. Okay, you feel me so? This is something that want to cut down small. You understand? You can't tell me, say, you are a woman that dates. You don't know the kind of hobby. Now, let me use myself for example. I did date Mommy Kerry, my wife, legally married. I did date Siviekia, Akiko of France, and so many more like that. Not be the sex. I was looking inward, looking their heart, each and every one of them. I said, Gamma, let me see something. And I'm really looking for in a woman. If they have it, I find the way get them. I grab them. Bam. I grab them. As you see, so as a man, yeah, when you put a woman to test, especially when you want to settle down. And secondly, if you don't become public figure. When you are not a public figure, people want to follow you. People want to associate with you. People want to use your name to work out for road. People want to marry you. People want to have you as friend. People want to embrace you because they know that you already carry grace. Some are also coming to kill that grace. You feel me so? So you as a man, when you know who you be, you know when you take the title your life, they go small. If one cut down, you go restrict your step back again. You go position again, strike again. Now, if the seven be, I say make they look am, make they look am, before you know, na me they'll call they cry. This is how many of our men marry wrong wife for house, and they regret of it. Then they regret them. Those women, they look there for they pause it for their car. Those men not talk again. You know the reason why? They saw this thing from the dating side. They come. The time when they date time. When they date into relationship, they come. They keep quiet because of breast, yash, nipple, because the woman fine, it gets so or it gets no money. They don't feel look the woman face, tell the woman say, stop this attitude, or rather you quit this relationship. They don't feel the one. These are men that value material things. This woman get level. This woman get influence. It's just what you kill you so. Organic truth. You were under the influence of that woman when you did a job. You understand? There are things that you will not tell us. That's why Benin usually make parables. If that woman now sit down, can't let us know the reason why she decided to be cheating on you. That woman might not be stupid. If she sit down today on live screen, can't tell the world the reason why she decided to be cheating on her own matrimonial home, you go see several cast. Before you now came out categorically be requesting for a DNA test, or God tell us your prick the work. Yes, now at the stage of this woman now this time she needs Bola pass. It gets second stage where we do when they are just the grow the come. My parents are make parable. Or when you know what can you buy or what are you lawa. It gets stage when you don't get the rich, they are going to suit them. That's it. As they fertilize, you understand? That the protective system, if they mature, or they're going to look for prick anyhow. You understand? At a very young age. And when they endure the old, they go back to the small age again. That time, you see all this, they don't use prick for the person play. I swear to God. They like the whipping. They even whip us guess. You understand? So, bro, this is the reason why I always lectures with my men. Men, they know the pity Toto. They flock Toto. Toto is meant to be fucking, not to pity. When you start to pity her, another sharp guy go wear them. And when he wear them, the woman will enjoy that wearing. Pass your pity Toto. Your pity things. It go they like that wearing. Pass you with the pity them. Now, two things involved here. Or God, maybe you be 2 minutes man for bed. You know they satisfy this woman. You know they, in all ramifications of life, you know they make this woman happy for sex aspects. But when you put all the blame for this woman body, because we know say the woman not get any reason to cheat on her husband. If she's sick and tired of the relationship, she better quit with good attitude than bringing her family down, bringing her integrity down, bringing the integrity of his own children down. She don't get any rights. But Oga, may we first of all cure ourselves with abroad. I don't want to go to traditional life now. Let's talk about the life we live for abroad here. Ogafa, this one they make and they come. This one they enjoy for bed as a husband. That one number one. If you know the try or your team know the stand, Oga, the woman never want to disgrace you. Now you disgrace the woman they go now. If the woman talk everywhere, cast. You understand? I greet you West Wisdom. If the woman talk now, everywhere go cast. Oga Alpha, tell the word. What did happen to your bola? When be say your wife now, they fuck your tenant. Your tenant not gonna knock your wife. You gonna put ear for window with this thing. Your wife now, my S. When they scream like my S. You say you hear. Now so my ex wait there for now to what did they call her? My ex girlfriend, my ex fucking mate. Wait there for papillon. Mumu let the car lead. Now so what they scream. Your wife fat like that one. Oh. Now so bless your wife and that one relates. Go check her. I don't want fat kung fu. You understand? Okay now. How come your wife leave you the landlord? They go they fuck tenant. Oga. They will tell ourselves true rapport as man to man. If your thing on the work, you they say agbo, and they see your go your proper see on the advertise agbo with the big bola they work, rheumatism, diabetes, psoriasis, Oga. Why be say you will be native man? You don't feel use native medicine for yourself. If really say your bola on the work, you cannot tell me your bola they work. Your wife will they cheat on you. Your wife now why they worry. Because if to say you they fire down, okay, the time when they follow people, they find trouble. You for the reason they fire down, they give that woman back to back. How can you imagine woman when really born go to sleep around a matrimonial home? Okay, tell us the truth. Since when your wife don't born, you don't not come. How many times you don't not come? Even the knocking, you make your wife come because your wife need to come. You make your wife come. Only you want you to come. Are you that man who say young man 1, 2, 3 you don't come? Once you come just sleep, they snow. The woman body will just like that. The woman, the time when the woman to enjoy you as a husband, you go just snow. If that woman mistakenly see on that prick, we go make her, we go whip Chris come for your head. She go whip her. And they test you, she go whip her cold. You know how many women be husbands for her brother they cheat with their husband? No, no. There are plenty. They don't know. The husband not gonna. No, you might be plenty for her boss. No, you might be patron too. Now all of us before this abroad though. Since I fit this place now. Go man inside this bed. You know go do. I go pretend to be angel. Let me send pass. Now lie. He did our body woto. He did all of our body woto. Now you don't leak. Now the people hear the saga. Hey, you don't want this one leak. Hey, Frank oh leak. Oh yeah, Frank. I don't trust man. Hey, oh Jana. Saga continue. Now so he be. He did for us woto. Everybody gets you for his ass. Oga. Even though you call your wife Olosho today, you call her Olosho tomorrow. All the names you call her, Oga. If you still go carry another woman, and wait till make this woman not they come, wait till make you not feel the satisfy this woman. If you still go after that one, the same thing that one will still do. This life not get duplicates. Women need to knock, they need to come. It's compulsory for them to come. There are things that are big enjoyments for women coming. Many of our mothers those days don't even know say women they come. So now me don't reach this abroad now. I can't say woman they come. And if woman come, the size and wonder with their body, big difference there than the one will not come. If woman come, the respect, the humbleness where woman they give man is different from woman when they come. Oh God, are you making your woman to come? That is the question. I told you, as a 3-to-2 master, you need to find how to make your woman come. Oh God, you did romantic? That's the question. You did suck Bombay. Oh God, you did suck Bombay. That your wife breast, you did suck her. You did spend time to romance your wife. You did spend like 30 minutes with your wife beside bed. All just romance. You not go put for Bula. Oga not put for Bula. No, Oga not send Bula. No send to. Just focus on the breast. focus on the lips of your wife. How many minutes you need to kiss your wife or God? Because if you get time for that woman for night, even though for them you only get at least night, you really get time. Before she go wake up in the next morning, go tired because you work for her body. How your own wife, a whole native daughter, your wife will cheat on you. Okay, not clear. That's an error from the pit of hair. As oh God, Lasada, a pastor wife they cheat, native daughter wife they cheat. This word don't tire me. God could consume everybody where they go. But before they go, give me 3 toto. You understand? God consume this word because I can't imagine pastor wife they cheat or boy wife see they cheat. Now, how you go expect we now? Our wife, I want it. If you were the spiritual man, you were claim to be spiritual man as a native daughter. When people they run, they go to meet. Who get problem? Now, if my wife cheat now, who I want wrong go meet? Or boy when they supposed wrong, go complain, go give. Say, oh God, come put my wife hand for juju. Make my wife swear. If he not shit on me, or both don't cry, say why they shit. Voila. Voila for abroad. People say I will go to Nigeria. I want to go home. I'm from Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom, yeah. If you reach Ring Road, tell my brother, say I dey come. Jesus. This will not be what? This will not be Chris. Who they supposed to go they meet now say, oh God, my wife they cheat. Help me swear for my wife. Now I can't cry now say, in wife they cheat. Well, not too much. Where will we start for this abroad? Who have done this to we Nigerians? Where we get this kind of problem? On the one side, that's for your both side. Now, Madam Chita, Vianikwa. Madam, where their husband house, where they cheat, or got shift. Madam, I shift closer. Shift la. Madam, take one tennis for you first. Madam, I greet you. I must greet you, man. But madam, you stupid show. Sorry to say I'm not insulting you, but I'm just telling you the kind of person you are. A very stupid woman. Very, very naughty woman. You don't get dignity at all. You spoil, you care, you go. The way your husband describe you, even more than that. And with in the first place, Obo, madam, first bench, Obo, I want to see you go to bros. Obo, good luck. The boy, Mabo. The way I bet, Mabo. Bossing, shift closer, come closer. Mabo. Wait till you see for that muchacha body. No, wait till you see for that atutu po yo. Una don't born again. Okay, I know this. Because with all the ways you've said about her, with all the description you've given about her, with all the attitude you said about her, okay, so you come this life come suffer. So your wife now has shower where they go government house, they're not going to invite them, they're going to put like wow, when they Nigeria, your wife the thief. Many things when you talk about your wife. Okay, you see all these things for this woman. And you still go ahead and impregnate her, marry her. Okay, you get mad though. If they give you gun and you keep person, I swear. Okay, if you fuck dead body clean past your wife. The way you take describe your wife, See, I swear, at the body, the way you take describe your wife, dead body, who married dead body get rest of mind past your wife. The way you take describe this one disguise, that's your so-called atutu poyoyo, where you they call wifey so, when you carry Congo land, you see asawale, you see young girls for Benita, where be say the swine for being virgin, as bros wake up for John, bro. You don't try. Sit down there and talk to you. You don't try. They run you street. That old car go run you street. Bros, you don't try. As person will come for giants, you go Nigeria, you come carry your ancestors come abroad. You be really native daughter. Okay, I hear you. Okay, you be really native daughter. You go Nigeria, you don't see fine woman carry come abroad. You don't even see one with fist. Okay, I want to describe your wife. Person ugly, Jesus. Even devil they see your wife with fear. Your wife, now short now black Jesus. Your wife is the king of devil. So you just walk out the whole Nigeria. You go Yoruba, you go Kitipa, you go Udo, you go Akure, you go Lagos. Even your secretary, Obo. You don't see who you see you want to marry. You can't say your ancients of the as old as you are. As old as you are. Now you are go marry. Ancient of days, as old as you are, as ugly as you are. Now you are go marry. Now you can go marry. Bring come abroad. Okay, you get mad. Okay, if you see the body, you go marry and you wear them. I swear. The kind of mind when you get up, you just still be like that body. I don't imagine how human be like you go feel marry that kind of woman. With all those things when you talk, if not reality, if alleged, if not real, say those things when you talk about your wife, say not real, bros, you be dead body to marry that kind of person. When you physically, spiritually know, say this thing not really did this one body, and you constantly go ahead to marry, oh God, you be ancient of days, you be ancestors. Then to the fuck kind for your head is have you. Person won't come swear, you don't need to. You go just use your head, touch your head. The person will die the next day. Because you pass ayilala. I swear. How can you sit down, marry that kind? Not anybody. Okay, your wife ugly. Not true talk. That one you don't lie. The woman really ugly. Let me tell yourself the truth. That woman ugly. Okay, you they sleep with her. Okay, why they yellow? Okay, no, the first, no first. Okay, let me go. Push on, I'll give you, babe. I get strap. That your wife ugly, wait. Okay, that your wife now, we should, you know. But don't let her know nothing else, let me tell you. That your wife not really ugly woman. Very ugly woman. But because you get mad, bros, tell me, total tight. And let her hear. Make pussy tight, You never describe that one for also. Let us know I be. Oh, body don't. Oh, boy, I don't. Oh, boy, you never know the game. How I describe it. You tell her how it be. If not like this, you let us know so happy. If you never, you let us know. You don't describe her, you know, sir. You describe her, how the place be. So that when you that guy want to go, they will also prefer to come. They will know they will arrange yourself to the good there. You understand? We'll go, which now I'll tell you, for free. Go thank God Almighty for your life. Go thank God Almighty for your life. Just say, God, I thank you for my life. Now what are you supposed to do now? You don't get problem again. Just go thank God for your life. Say, you there alive. This woman buy you with that boy. They don't plan buy you. Collect the house. Okay? Go thank God. Just the pray. You're supposed to rejoice. Now you're a woman. Now you marry. Now God then save you. But I say some good things when you do. You see they work for you. Nobody will tell you this thing. I will tell you for free. I'm not saying you bring money. The good things when you do for people. Now the prayer when they pray for you, then keep you alive. This one will buy you. Now your cough, then this one will carry command. What's yours? I thank God for your life. Many women no go do this thing that I tell you so. And nobody will tell you this thing that I tell you so. If I be you, I could celebrate. I could enjoy myself because that woman, it will buy you. It just be like what you just put on me. All this son of your wife. Son of wife. The son. In nature don't cut. Now driver. Thank God. You see the way I don't free. Because you're not getting to hook me. You're not those two twists now. And the woman will stay the hook you. Go see the ratio. But God, as you say you need DNA test, that idea alone, now good one. May you know the picking which you could give your money to if now you're real picking or not your real picking. If now you're real picking, so that you're real blood, you will take care of the children. Forget the mother, because the mother now useless woman. Now will show. But if not be your picking, oh yeah, I made a pack and baggages. wipe out your life. Live up for God. The million you could come abroad and sacrifice. God will bless you put abundantly. No reason waiting people go talk. Definitely they must saga you. But inside there so, this one for saga. The truth has to be said. Now God save you, my brother. Thank God say you not bad. Or you see you say one go down, or go down, go down. You see now. Something never happen now. Monica they happy with useless fans, with stupid fans. That they happy that they jollificate. Now DNA test they ask for since how many months, many years, you not see a break. He never feel come and swear. If the accused man even touch his bola or touch his pants, he never feel come swear. So my brother, no reason with all those Jumanyama women they talk. They are frustrated. 85% of the women will say you, they know the husband has. They invest you go bring woman for Nigeria. I heard the truth with that one. My brother, feel like go Nigeria, they go bring woman. Then you can't come abroad. If you want money for Nigeria. Live up in Nigeria there. May I hope was the epidemic. See, man, this one, they do something for your eye. They look your eye, pour spit for your eye. You see how women wicked rich. This one look your eye, pour spit for your own house, for your under your roof. Then they lack your wife. The same soundtrack. Now, God, I pity you. If you dey fuck with your room now, that boy go dey near to the listen. You go dey shake for them, go dey feel it. Because why? If they use your sound, you don't even know the soundtrack of your wife. You see this life? Hello? Agree to, yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. What you are doing? You read Facebook? Okay. I understand. Okay, if I also I'll also round up now. If I try, I'll call you. Alright. Yeah. You see, now we hear say Obo come and call they apologize. Now when I watch that apology, if you watch the apology, you go move for granted they laugh. Obo no apologize. See, that's the reason why now the apology I watch. Now I say I'm going to talk for this matter. You understand? I love the way he take on apologize. That's the best apology I've seen so far. Not the apology that they find. He give them the best apology. He don't apologize to you. He said in so-called former wife before, thank you. When you take up police from, no verse say, in talk say you be a show. No verse say in talk truth of waiting you be. He said, I'm apologizing. No verse say I talk truth. I tell the whole world who you be. That one apology. He said to the men with the verse in for my hand. The men will receive for their hand. He said, make all the men no verse. Say, him come and come talk waiting the help for a house. So since if he talk truth, now bad thing, they go no verse. He no go talk truth again. Now that point now pick for all the words we talk. You say from now on, if you see truth, you not going to talk them again. Because you don't see and answer the word love lies. My brother, truth is bitter. We have to continue saying it. You see those who love lies. But if they define will tell you, who will tell the truth, they know where to go pick the truth from. So my brother, whatever makes you happy, always do it. Whatever you are trained with, you are born with, continue do it. Don't deviate because of what people will say. You talk truth, they will say about you. You lie, they will talk about you. My God, don't look at your face, don't reason with people go talk. Stand in the road of truth and continue saying that truth. It will help you. You see more than what you see for here today. Again, him back and front. People where they eat under me, all of them they beat me. You know why? Because I stand for the truth. The reason why all their arrows know they near me, you know why? Because the biggest truth so far is there around me. The arrow that they come. They make me flex. If they're crazy, I go to dance. 5 times I come on, I go club, I go enjoy myself. You understand? Continue saying the truth. Don't deviate. Stand in the road of truth. Not say because people they talk, or women they badge on you, that they badge on you, that they badge on you. You want to go they lie. No, bro, no lie. You never see anything. They go definitely badge on you. Stand your ground as a man. As far as you know what you are saying is truth. You have proof, you have evidence of it. I thank God said now social media don't come to stay. And they are going to put their camera. Everywhere on the camera. You see? Not deviate. Continue saying the truth. Continue do your work. Help people. Because the people you see they help. But nobody is useless. So. In one way or the other, you are useful to people. You are useful to the economy of our country. You pay tax. And you also help people they employ. So you are useful. So giving people food alone, their prayer will follow you. Now it make you their life. This one for buy you anyway. Because this one a black devil. If I buy you, I thank God for your life. Say you dear life. If I be you, settle down. As you did this abroad so. Found a better smally, sorry. If you're single, but I will get 1 or 2 picking. Marry before ask me they give me they cook for you. Integrate that woman. Now we're gonna wait there abroad as soon as get money. When I go see people where they suffer abroad, I'm not gonna marry them. And they go again, I got the cry on the show they come. No many women they my boss, they cry for my boss. How many are gonna marry? No husband. They carry children, they work out. No husband. Men, now you gonna see men. We see the talk say men not there abroad. Men not there abroad. Our women too pretty for abroad. Men not there. If we will be made for abroad, share women 4-4. They go still get extra. We don't still get wife. We don't still get husband. Some of our women are so greedy. This bola, they know they chop and finish. Now grave, they want to chop this bola. The best place where this bola go chop and finish now grave. You shop, I shop, you shop, I shop. No. Mokba high and you have forward. All you want, you shop everything. How can you imagine? You Nigeria will be say women food, boys food. You constantly from there go Nigeria go they bring. You want to go bring. You go bring condemn iron. You get mad, oh God, you get mad. We see Asha go too plenty for you. You constantly carry Asha with Jonah. Oh God, you get mad, Asha. Huh? If to say na Asha wey you marry for Europe, you go don't say this one hello show, this one she wo, this one she wole. You don't know the work where they do. It better pass my brother. You go carry slow poison come. You do like mommy, granny, mama, mommy. You also pray now, mommy you dey call. Mommy, you say, Debo. You go dey form like mungo. You don't say tear eye pass you. You understand? I just gotta beg you, next time you want marry, now where person they stay, they will get wife. Women food bongo, women food everywhere. Baba, you don't want to give you job, you will see. You will say, anytime we call and go deal with you. Now you go. The one way you know, not be the way. See now. 6 years old, that kind of come here and you don't born finish now. You bring a character come on. Oh God. I thank God for your life. And I thank God for the life of my fans, my lovers, my wife, especially my wife, my lovely, beautiful wife. May God go bless for me. You understand? Now they beat me put so. The only person that will get the finest wife on social media for this of our space, not me. For this social media as a whole, my wife is the finest wife. All the women. And my wife next time pass. Fine swag, everything. Even ya go. This is a one baz. That's my drink. A carry on. Even ya go ya go. Now breast up. What na the nipple better start. Even ya go. Young girls they crazy follow me. As they see my wife, they base. If I handle them for bed, they don't know how to fuck. They can't twerk. Go, you go see my wife. You want spray. You go to spray my wife. You go to spray money. Mama, you too much. Smallly, they collect husband for their hand. Then they cry. Then they cry, they shed tears, they look at me, they pause with my face. Say, at least one girl going to marry, they pause with my face, but they don't know what I see. They don't know what I see. Not be how far, not how well. Many of these men, when they shot so, they called me, they pray to be like me. Me more. You see all those short presenters when not get sense so they cry. If I play their audio, where they come from back, go wrong. That's why I say I'm a father. As a father, a grandfather to all of them all. No matter how they shot fish. Nah, always subo draw. No level. I still remain their father. That go cry just on the cause. No one program go shoot just on the cause they come. Epa man, Epa why speaker? Our last speaker. Epa why speaker? That's fools. You don't ever see me they call them. You wait until they call me. Till they don't come my platform. Because now I know say now here food day. Now we they cook and they don't. Women, you guys need to also go and work on yourself. You need to go and work on yourself. It's very important. Men not they foolish too. Men not be fool. Men not be fool. Because when at the top of my experience, I be man. I know how many women they may roll like this, they may boss like this. People say they may be thinking I go marry them. I put my paper on ground and I look at the search and I select. That's when they see say none of the crack come and say, Frank, I give her 1,000 euro, I give her 100 euro, I give her 500 euro. Come give me money. You know they. You know they. The only person will buy polo for my birthday. Now I come and say, return my polo. Polo. Only once I wear that polo. Now you go find the video, go screenshot, return my polo. That's to show how stupid, the level of stupidity which she did. When we are buying flower on Valentine's Day, it even cost past the polo. This is the love people say when they play for Bogo that time. I can't come abroad to play with these women. Make them feel at home. Make them look lively. At the end of the day, they still planning evil against me. That's how wicked some of our Jezebel did for abroad. Because why? They don't take for road walk. There are demons that have slept with them, that have invaded virus on them. And when those virus begin to manifest, they can't live with one particular man. Until them be delivered. You cannot imagine when we come for road work without going to delivery service. One can enter husband has to go hard. Don't mark this word. It go hard. Because there are some demon we already possess them. Person will go come for your house this kind of time, come stay for street in the middle of the night. You don't know who is coming. Whether not ancients of day, the ancestor, witches and wizard, they go lie on top of them. My brother, now God is saved me. At the end of the day, these things they are doing now with rubber, with raincoat. But if they can't see men with the love, they go use direct skin to skin. Now you go imagine how many spirits they woman body. If you lay with one woman, you know how many spirits you invoke to yourself. So that's why I say, man, before going out with you, you need to be spiritually balanced. Spiritually what? Balance. You go see some men go sleep, they go date the woman, they go marry the woman for her, they go be like Chris, they go be like Mugu. And he's also, they don't get authority. You go say, this boy was not like this when he was a boy. Since when they married this one, come here, you know why? The spirit that woman invoke in that man, today powerful. He oversee the man's spiritual powers. He conquer the man's spirit. You feel him? So, a lot of things they happen to our men for abroad here. Where we say many men don't know. They don't know. Fear woman. You just say, you strong past woman. No. But you're not strong past woman. No. If you carry grace, it's different from powerful than a woman. Woman feel dead this bed. You know go chop since morning till now. If 20 men come, you go lash them. You know go shake. 20 men go come, you go lash them. Make one man dead this bed. Make we don't eat since morning till now. Make 6 girls come lash them and go collapse. go collapse straight down. That's the reason why you see women are powerful. You see? No, for that one, that one I just, that one is, we're not going to see her. It shows that different way, the power of a woman, the spirit of this woman, to the useless man, in different dimension. There are some men, when they marry, if they don't lie before they begin to lie. They go begin to lie. You see, when you become an honest person, when you always get sincere, they'll say, if man married to wife, you go get to mind. You go to hide for this one, you go to hide for this one, you go to hide for this one. What about the thing you go bust? If you be man and you know you are able and capable as a man, and guy, you don't get what in the hide. If you don't want to agree, you go move. Who ready to agree to obey, to be loyal, go stay. You understand? Know yourself, know your worth as a man when you are in a relationship with a woman. It's very important. Not be saying they follow woman. One, you don't know how to knock. The woman not they come. The woman not enjoy you for bed. Now you cause you get pride, Jonah. God, that street you go sleep. Now street then you go sleep. You see Monica now. If you look Monica, you look Ambrose. That's a very good example of a woman power who oversees the husband. The more you begin to sleep with woman constantly, the more you begin to resemble. The more the woman begin to evoke more of her spirit into your own self. You begin to look alike. Not the same problem now. Your connectivity regularly will not begin to resemble. If your own power as a man is not strong, it's going to go down. While the power of that woman will manifest for your body. You will come be like pig. We chop olobo, cat. Look not the sea. Cat will chop pig. You come in boy. Now be waiting the word Ambrose. If you see Ambrose, the more Ambrose and this Orobo Kibo did better. The more the better, and Ambrose they closer. The more Ambrose made hunde. If you check the life of Ambrose, you know say Ambrose was not like this when he was still in north. It's a gallant soldier. Ambrose not like this when they not. But the more he gets close to Monica, they begin to communicate. The connectivity, the flowing, the water, the doping system begin to activate regularly. Because now woman will like sex. What happen? Ambrose begin to drop in the spiritual powers where they begin to drop. Now he carry a spirit of a kurie, a spirit of a hunde, a spirit of a deg, a spirit of a lelability. You understand? You see the way I did so fine man, Nabi. I am not that man who call the boss here. When I came to this Europe, a woman priced me of 2,000 euros to take boss my earring. To take put earring for my ear. 2,000 euros. I refuse. This will make more than 4,000 for things. For Verona. I refuse. I'm the woman. I'm the boss earring for ear. I'm the refuse and the phone guy. This is just me naturally. Now say one boss, you go just touch my ear. You go just I say I don't want. Now worry, not good. You want to put good for my ear. I don't need that, madam. Simple. I don't need that. Hold your money. Imagolo, go be boyfriend and girlfriend, no money, move the fuck. More than Nash. Forget boss my ear, boss my nose, boss my knee, boss my nipple. I don't need that. Now you go see person. You go see a married man. You go put ear for ear. Like all those people did for prison, when they know the one they want sentence to death. If you go prison, there are some people that bust their ear. They know see this one. They go put for 5 earring. This one 5 years in prison and the year. This one need to stay 5 years before they go hang on by death. So different way they say they bust their ear for prison. I go see my whole laugh. They go, some people, because village lifestyle, those local people, you understand locality. Just a local life. Putting earring for your ear, physically make you get swag, make you look like a fine. But who don't find? You don't even need to rub cream. It is not by bleaching that will make you look, that will give you swag, that will make you handsome. Cute guys are already cute guys. You work on yourself, looking neat. You must not see the bag you put everything. That's why I love my wife. She's so simple. If I land my house now, say, babe, after tonight with the go club, after which I wear the club there. If you enter wardrobe and you go carry club, you bath. All this one I call the make up the second year. She's not kind of person. Very easy going person. What the accent fence? Some people go do first layer, they go do second layer as a woman, still they are still ugly. They are still ugly. Now they find picking. They are picking when they find for Bele. It did their maths. They find picking up. Now they go to mock you say you know born. But now then they find picking. Picking with the phone, but they picking when they find for years. What do they call that thing for Germany? They don't drink and tire. So they call what they use and they do profile picture. Fluoric acid. Fluoric acid. We say women they really hide down. They people see them. They don't take them. They come the ambassador of fluoric acid. They call it. They do profile picture for their Facebook page. How they don't find the rich. Unknown to they say they picking where the wife they find. It ain't it. A lap for it. Affected this one. Last 2 years. They forget. They look my face. They promise peace. How you go marry your own children? Picking where you get and your husband go decide bed. You not go know who be your husband. You be your picking for his side. When narration one fuck, you go to drop your picking prick. Not that the picking say, mommy, what are you touching my bola for? Oh, sorry my son. Before you go use one draw your husband come. You can imagine the kind of life where they live. Now they said people will come and what did they order this one? This one, they're not get sense. Situation whereby you all look the whole man for what? For the whole world. Which are bed of the same that flocks together. A village champion woman goes with a village champion man. You understand? They have to go and work on themselves. Just look at all of them with the back up and down. The one who must still pursue for us. You get one who must pursue for us, for France. You want to like make one. No one carry a wife come out. All of them want carry their wife come out. They want carry their wife come out. You go carry your woman pick come out. That one wear glass come out. Only one saga you receive for Facebook. Nah, wrong. That one another portion. He body the pepper run now. This way he wipe the portion for us. Body the pepper run. Now anger. I said live video. Like say they want to come beat me for my house. You go imagine woman where not get hand, not get leg. Only you want not wear towel to do live video for the social media. They not blow. You don't wear skirt to do live video. It not blow. You don't dress like the horse for road walk to do live video. It not blow. You don't go sagadi, go the catwalk where the people go wash. It not blow. Nobody still wash. Nothing where they never do. They don't decide to fight themselves. Pretend that they fight themselves. Make people come watch. They not still blow. Prank people they do. They go blow. They do prank. It not prank, it not blow. Plank, not plank. It not still blow. Now more the king of social media. Now they want to come follow this and they want to blow. But one thing you should understand, I decided to say I don't want to answer them. Because if I answer their social media go bring smoke, it will affect many people. If I answer, it will affect many people. And that's the truth. Some woman married woman where their husband has, where they lash, where they do so pee, I go drag and come out. Now they use their mouth talking all your day. Hey God, I don't want my drink. I want you. You understand? Now I'm about this man. I don't want to talk. I say, I don't want to talk. I see my mouth. If I look somebody who sit down for a panel, they insult me. You go say, eh? The same person on the 18th of this month, on the 18th of this same month, with me out with end today. On the 18th of this month, we end today. The same person confessed to me. Look my face, they confess to me. Because the confession when you give me, now based on trust. You understand? But I still keep that trust. You get why? And the same person is there, they call it like chicken, like all those cockroaches when they check for their garden. And you still do, and the former and look and say, all these people they increase. They forget themselves. This Facebook they cause Chris. Somebody forget themselves. For real. They forget themselves. If I blow on a yansen, this shop that will bring smoke. Both another presenter with their husband house. Female presenter with their husband house. One lash male presenter will give her for us. The two of them sit down. The one is short Baba with a smile. Baba with a smile. No, let me explode. If I explode, everyone. Everybody. But me, I leave the rest for God. God got you. And respect to my beautiful wife. We're not the same. Hello? Hello? Alright. I'm going to speak right now. Talk to me. God bless you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Bag of rice. Don't be lie. No wahala. No wahala. Yes. No wahala. Water. Off with me. Alright. Yeah. Yes. Alright. Kudos to every one of you. Hey, my Shema, I greet you. West Wisdom. What idea. Man, understand? Nevertheless, I'm going to leave you guys and I will still come back. Today, I'm coming back today. And I'm also going to TikTok. Yes. Guys, today, I do video yesterday and this morning too. Concerning Enogi. Enogi not do video today. Enogi not tell the world why he not do video today. Enogi not do live video today. I know why you not do live video today. It shock you. But you are on low key. You see all these stupid presenters. When they get problem, they're going to find every means to run around for their house. But they're going to put more people home. Enogi, talk what you make you not do that video today. Take an over here. Tawebo no yesin. Tawebo no yesin. Everything. I said I smell your yansh. I smell your yansh. So guys, join me later. Because I will be coming back later to expose Enogi. Give me 3 toto. Give me 3 toto for there. Bang down. Hey, we my guy. Alpha. Adi, my guy, what's the line? What's the young? Maruba. Hello. My Rima. Hello. My Lord. I must greet you, Baba. Hey, you say you call every today. You never come. What's it gonna happen? Never take a light. If he said, no, let you be president of our brother, don't take a light. When I go see the people when they partake a light. Avi.
Social media king.
Hey, Avi, really my love. Yeah, I think baby. Eh? You may fear, you life, where you life?
I saw the speaker. Yeah, don't do I don't the top. Don't say it, okay, but I will let it.
Okay, let's see. Then you go. Okay, now what to now? 9:30 minutes time.
30 minutes time, work clear.
Yes.
We got me video, so look at he got damn because he got we got here you can read, you know.
Yeah.
And apparently, native doctor ni waiting native doctor they do you know clear. Okay, can we you know. Because native doctor don't frustrate this woman now. I no man here see go more die. Native doctor matter what glue. This is the reason why Nigeria
okay. No, you again now. Let's wait support no again.
Oh, Brussels, we made the video.
Yes, nah, Isha. You know, you support the woman here again.
Maybe I did not know your can. You are one of your social media. Or talk again, or young go there for or talk here. When they need to talk that way or ugly way. Maybe ugliness in your hair and I love your care. It's a woman. Ugliness, I think that's a go here. Or no one here love your care. I can love your care. Or you would top with young wife, say, when you're young baby. And the little of the social media. What a lot. Again, you're little what a man I love your cover, eh? What a man I love your kind of one and book next to the Toyota.
Watching Jenny. You don't know how you are.
We all see a fat one. All see a fat one. My little way for my one little no one no get man. Eponeti and the Gugado cleaner. All see a fanat one. My brother, I greet you. I'm going to tell the doctor the truth, eh?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll see. So, nobody about
you, sir.
We'll see. Oh, boy, you see now. You see what this woman talking now? Point there, when you never have a counter with a nogi, your heart's not scatter. You understand? Anybody that have a counter with that boy, they know her life will never remain the same. A nogi. The Murphy, Evie, you see those three people, the demonic power, when they worry them, they're too powerful. When you are closer to them, you got problem. You're going to get one problem or the other. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Join me later. And I'll be coming back again. Both Facebook and TikTok. It's going to be bomb. Don't play.